ECOMONIT is a project that leverages sensor technology and satellite imagery to make work very easy. Our project ECOMONIT simulates a small greenhouse that is embedded with sensor technologies to make farmers easily monitor their systems. Our greenhouse includes sensors like cameras, soil sensors, moisture sensors, humidity and temperature sensors to make monitoring the parameters, environmental parameters on the farm very easy. That is what ECOMONIT, Ecological Monitoring System, stands for. Our project also is very scalable, that on a large farm setting we can embed and include all our technology, sensor technologies, to enable farmers easily monitor their system through an interactive AI we have developed. Secondly, our project also leverages satellite imaging, where students have tracked amateur satellites in space and designed local antennas to quickly and easily track and receive signals from space in real time. ECOMONIT uses these simple materials to easily receive satellite signals from space, and these signals are decoded and viewed. We also added a website to our project to quickly and easily make accessing our web service easy.